Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because that's the fastest way to stop Edge. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Startup. You'll see a list of apps permitted at sign-in. Locate Microsoft Edge and toggle it off. Doing this prevents the system from launching Edge automatically after you sign in. Once done, sign out or restart to confirm it stayed off. If Edge reappears, continue to the next slide for deeper cleanup and background process checks. Once the startup toggle is off, stop Edge from running in the background so it can't relaunch itself. Open Edge Settings, choose System, and turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager, inspect the Startup tab, and disable any Edge entries. Make sure Edge's startup settings aren't set to reopen previous tabs. Set it to open a new tab instead. These steps prevent hidden processes from restarting Edge without your input. Finish by addressing stubborn cases. Reset Edge settings to defaults or uninstall recent Edge updates if the issue began after an update. Then inspect Task Scheduler for any tasks that launch Edge at sign-in and remove them. Review extensions that might auto-open pages and disable or remove suspicious ones. If things go wrong, use the restore point you created before making major changes. That lets you roll back quickly. If Edge still opens, try creating a new user profile to isolate profile-specific startup behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.